here we are in my workshop. I've got the 706 here and the AT-150 here, and I'm going to connect them. So what I've done is I've got the cable that came with the ATU here, and it plugged into this plug here, which actually went, so this plug here came with the ATU, and I don't need that. So what I've done is I've taken the black plug off, put it here. This plug here plugs into the back of the 706, and it's got all these wires here. That's how it came. And what I've done is I've connected the correct colours to the right colours here, and I've done that by using this bit of paper. So this bit of paper has what pin numbers, and that's the 706, what pin numbers are used at the back. So for instance, pin 1 is 8 volts with and it's the brown cord, and I checked that with the multimeter. This one here, pin 8, is 13 volts, 13.8 volts, and it's a grey cord. So there's 2 greens on the cord that comes out of the 706, so I had to be sure I got the right one, and I always checked everything with the multimeter. Then this is the rear view of the antenna tuner. So this is out of the manual of the antenna tuner, this is out of the manual out of the radio, and you can see here it's wanting 8 volts on pin 1, ground, pin 2. So basically the cable from pin 1, 8 volts, goes to pin 1, 8 volts on this connector here. With the band here out of the radio is pin 5, the green cord, goes to pin 4 on this plug here. Now the catch with all this is the view of the actual radio, or the back of the antenna tuner. So you have to do the opposite pins. So when you're looking at the numbers here, you got to realize that when it says pin number 4 down the bottom right, on here it'll be bottom left on here, because this plugs into the radio. That's what the pins look like on the radio, and that actually caught me out because I got one round the right way and one round the wrong way, and I couldn't get it to work. But we've now tested it. Looks terrible, but we've got all the right wires connected. So what I'm going to do is snip off all the wires I don't need, wrap it all up, make it look good and tight. I've got some heat shrink here already, which I'll put over the top, and then we've got nice cable that will connect the two together. Took a bit of work, but I think it's all worth it. All right, here we go. So I've plugged the cable in. Let's turn it on, the radio. You can see the antenna tuner automatically turns on. Same band, 1.8. 1.8. If I go up to 3.6 there we go, it's gone up. Let's go up another band. 7, 7, 10, 10. There we go. And all the way up. So that's pretty cool. So I haven't got an antenna plugged in, so I can't actually test it tuning, but we got that part working anyway. So that's pretty cool, and obviously I can press that one to manually override to go to antenna 4 if I wanted to plug in a different antenna, wire antenna there. So I'm pretty happy with that. The cord is great, so it came with a cord, and I did put heat shrink on the cord here and it looked really good, but I thought, oh, it's not very strong, so I've made a bit of a mess of it there using some insulation tape, because I'm going to take this away camping, so I want it to be strong. So that should be a bit stronger than just heat shrink, which is what I have underneath it, which looks good, trust me. So I'm thrilled with this cable. It didn't actually cost me anything because it came with the radio and the antenna tuner. It just cost me a bit of time. So happy with that. Worth doing, and I have it straight away.